In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order from Taobao to America. We'll walk through the full process from creating your account to using a freight forwarder to getting your package at your door in the US. The key idea is simple. Taobao sellers ship domestically within China, so you'll route your order to a China-based warehouse first, then forward it internationally. Start by opening the Taobao app or visiting the website. Create an account using a US phone number or an existing Alipay account, then log in. If you're browsing on desktop, turn on your browser's translation to make navigation easier, and keep your region and currency settings consistent so prices display clearly. Next, choose a freight forwarder. This is crucial because they provide the Chinese warehouse address where your Taobao orders will go. Popular options include Superbuy, CSS Buy, Basatao, Weigobuy, Pandaboy, and 4PX, or other private freight companies. Compare their service fees, photo inspection options, consolidation services, and shipping partners. Once you sign up, your forwarder will provide a warehouse address along with a receiver name and a local phone contact for deliveries to that warehouse. Add that warehouse address to Taobao, go to My Taobao, open Settings, then Shipping Address, and paste the details exactly as provided by your forwarder. Save it and set it as default if you'll use it often. This is the address sellers will ship to inside China. Now search and choose products. Use Chinese keywords or the image search tool to find matches. Review seller ratings, read buyer reviews with photos, and look at total sales to gauge reliability. Select your color, size, and quantity carefully, especially for apparel. When you're ready, tap Buy Now or Add to Cart. Place the order by selecting your warehouse address and choosing a payment method. Confirm the order and complete payment. The seller will ship domestically to the warehouse. There may be a small local shipping fee. Wait for the item to reach the warehouse. Domestic delivery typically takes 2 to 5 days. Your forwarder will update the status when the parcel is received and will attach a local tracking number. Many forwarders can take photos on arrival and let you consolidate multiple parcels to save on international shipping. When your items are ready, submit international shipping from your forwarder's dashboard. Select the received items, choose air, sea, or